So yeah, what's up, Jai to the KEY, man? We back in this thing with another fucking video. What's up, Jai to the KEY? What's up, Jai to the KEY, man? We back in this thing with another video. Gang, gang, gang. And I don't even know what this title gonna be, but as you can tell by the title, you know the video. I'm about to walk here under this light so y'all can see me better, and then I'm gonna walk back. Cause yeah, we don't need none of that. So anyway, if y'all don't know the vibes, I'm about to walk around real quick, pick me up something, and then, you know, I'm gonna hit y'all when I get back in the house. Y'all know the vibes or whatever. And this light bringing dummy bugs, so I'm about to go. Yeah, I think that's my kill. Car just went past me. That's my kill. Let's get it cracking. But I'm gonna record though, so y'all can see me walking. And I got on this big red hoodie, and it's just like, hope nobody pow me. Like, what the fuck? I got on all this red and shit, but I mean, like, I ain't rapping nothing. I'm just wearing red, like, but I can't wear red, like, it's in my wardrobe. Just don't pow me. That's all I'm asking. No pow. I'm okay. Loves to routine. Ooh, they both turning like that. Y'all better go ahead, dude. And I'ma just cross because I can do that. Fuck, check me. Oh. Yeah, what if they put me up on the camera John talking about some talking about that you know, I walked the crosswalk without the right sign of walk. To routine. Y'all can't even see me though, that's the thing. But behind me not looking too bad. Oh, baby. One step, two step, three step, four. How many white stripes are on this floor? One, two. What I am not about to do is walk down there. So now we're walking back, y'all. Okay, never mind. Let's go. Why it get raunchy right here? Like, I'm not going. To routine. Love to routine. Love to routine. Y'all know me, nigga. Y'all know me, nigga. You feel me? Y'all know me. JYKEYFA. We back in this thing. Y'all, let me hurry up because my leg's starting to hurt. I was walking earlier. I can't even fucking see me though. That's the thing. Dress flowing. And the wind keep it blowing. Oh, I... Yeah, boo. Catch me if you can. Y'all, I can't even front to y'all. I want to tase myself so bad. Like, I just want to just, like... Y'all, I'm about to stop at the mailboxes. Ain't nothing in here for me, though. But just say I can see it. Okay. Now we got how we're leaving. Because the bugs is about to mess with me. Boo, I don't do the strange cars. I'll run. It won't give a fuck. It won't. Y'all, I'm so quiet, but it's just like... Walking so peaceful, but I gotta keep looking back, because... I don't do the cars. I don't do those, boo. And then, you know the ones that be wanting to drive past you all slow? Like, boo. Keep it pushing. If you want to drive slow for a name, you liking what you see. Everything designer, that's on me. But still keep it pushing. You in a car. You gonna ride slow. Like, motherfuckers gonna do drive-bys. Motherfuckers, you wanna talk, get out and speak to me. Fuck. I want you to go above and beyond. Fuck. I want you to stop in traffic and get out and talk to me, nigga. Fuck. If it ain't that deep, then it ain't that deep for me to respond to you. How about that? That's how we coming. That's exactly how we coming. Yeah. I don't know. I want no dog abuse. I can't see nothing. Too routine. Yeah, bitch. We federal. It's like, nah, I'm done. I'm going here and mess with my brother if he's in here. Damn. Y'all know the vibes. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified when I post.